Since last vid, I was so kindly given some trees. Here I got 2 ficus and I grabbed some pots from the reject shop and popped them here. Just what this area needed, and I didn't even know it. Now for the other trees. 2 boxes. These are going to go in the ground. Just placing for now, seeing just how they look before I dig the great big holes. Looking from every angle, placing them not flanking anywhere, not symmetrical, but filling in some lovely gaps and making a nice view. I do have more conifers along here that will grow nice and tall and topiary-like, and another one here, so fits in well. And a visit to the landscaping yard to grab some pavers that will be under those ficus pots to stop any rooting in. And I found some garden mix I liked. Came home with a cubic metre and shoveled it in here. Still lots more to go. Why I add more to do, I do not know. And here are my helpers. Decided to help me with those great big holes. Keep going. Keep going. I need a bigger hole.
Ignore the monkeys. But I got the boxwoods in. Some mighty big holes. They look so good. Not symmetrical. That was not the plan. Same kind of area.
And just really starting to piece things together around here with some more established plants. Somebody's a little tired. And the aftermath. All my plants, oh my. A little tired myself, but there's lots of jobs to be done, so see these blocks and this falling down wall. I made do at the time and used some coppice logs we had. Then I found these on Marketplace, thought I'd use them here, but nope, needed over here a lot more. So started out and hard yucca. Lots of weeding and redoing of this garden along the way, and a very much sped up look at just how I place the blocks. Now, I'm not saying this is how it's meant to be done, but that's how I did it. And I am very happy with the results. Once again, this is what we kind of started with. Ripping it out, I did have it braced. And how it's ending up. Mulch, rocks. Very happy with how this is progressing. And as you see, there's still some more planting to be done. The ground cover there, I am planning to extend all the way around. And over time, you may not even see the wall, but it will be doing its job and no chance of this one rotting. And that's it. Till next time. Bye.